Hey guys, AdamT here. I'm back with a Popsicle Stick Catapult tutorial, and if you want to see a better video of me shooting it, I recommend go checking out my TikTok. Anyways, let's just get started, and I hope you guys enjoy. What you'll need is on the screen right now, so take a minute and gather your supplies. It'll also be in the description with a little bit more detail, so go down there and check that out. To begin, you're going to want to get 8 popsicle sticks, and we're going to separate them into 2 groups of 3 and 1 group of 2. Right now, I'm going to hot glue these 3 together, and then I'm going to hot glue the next 3 together, and then finish off with hot gluing the last 2 together. You should get 3 different groups here. So off camera, I already went ahead and hot glued the bottle cap to the top of this larger popsicle stick. And what I'm going to do now is mark 4 inches. I already did this before again, so I know where the 4 inches are. So do this for your popsicle stick, mark it. I'm going to write it down right here just so you guys can see it's 4 inches. And then once you do that, simply just cut where you marked. At this point, you're going to need your binder clip, and we're going to hot glue it to the large popsicle stick that we just cut. So go to the back, and at the very bottom, put some hot glue, and using one of the metal pieces at the end of it, just attach in the similar way that I did it right here. This will be the firing mechanism that is going to shoot our ammo, and again, just add some hot glue to reinforce it so it's stable and it doesn't fly off anywhere. Moving along, we're going to take our first group of 3 popsicle sticks and we're going to attach it inside of this binder clip like so, right there. So right now I'm going to hot glue just at the end right here. The length of the binder clip is what I'm doing, that amount. And I'm going to open up the binder clip and I'm going to push it in and press down, make sure it's solid and not going anywhere. Finally, we're going to begin the assembly of our catapult, and this is when you'll need your 4 clothespins and attach them in a similar way that I'm doing right now. I'm using 2 clothespins to attach these 3 groups right here, and using the other side to attach that 3 group of popsicle sticks right there. This is how it should look like. Make sure it's stable, and after all this we will hot glue it. Again, using the remaining 2 clothespins, I'm attaching it so it's facing upwards vertically. Just fix it so it's flush with each other. And finally, with that 2 group of popsicle sticks, I'm going to attach it to the very top. I'm going to open it and slide it in. At this point, I'm going to quickly hot glue it. You guys keep hot gluing. I'm going to go ahead and move on. With our very last step, we're going to use our rubber band and wrap it around. Do it in the exact way that I'm doing it. I'm going to twist it here. I'm going to wrap it back around. I'm going to twist it again and wrap it back over the bottle cap. So this is what it should look like once you're all done wrapping it up. And at this point, you should be completely done with your Popsicle Stick Catapult. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Check out all my other social medias and subscribe so you can see future videos that I'll be coming out with.